All right. Yep. Oh, it's going in. Just
Oh, it
keep
looks
jiggling.
so good, man.
Keep going.
I'm gonna smash it. Ready?
Yeah, that's it.
Yep.
Hold it there.
Yep. Well, you reckon you'll be able to get the shaft through?
I've got to open that lip up a little bit more.
Do you reckon you can get the shaft through if you just push it as hard as you can?
Just going to screw
Does it have a
washer
wranger thing on it?
The tops of the feet here. I'm pressing up and out of the palms. Deep breath in, inhale, looping the shoulders. Heart radiates forward. Then on the exhale, tucking the tail, drawing the navel up, closing the eyes to really have an experience here. We call this spinal flex or cat-cow. And one more, inhale.
So there it is, we're all done. We've done the Micra and we've done the Sior. It takes about half an hour each side, and all you need is a heat gun and a mallet. So make sure you check out www.mightycarmods.com for more cool videos and more of Marty. Yeah, cool.